How to make deposit on Capital One Bank. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up your Play Store or App Store. On the search bar, search for Capital One. Then you want to tap on the install button for this application. It is going to take some time for the application to be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, it is automatically going to be installed on your device. Then you can simply open the Capital One application. The first step is to log into your account. You can do that by entering your username and password. You can also use your fingerprint or Face ID if it is enabled. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the deposit option next to the camera icon. Then you want to enter the amount of deposit. Now you want to take photos for the front and back of your check. You have to write for Capital One mobile deposit and sign your name on the back of the check prior to taking your photo. Once you have uploaded the photo, make sure that the check is endorsed if required. Now you want to review the deposit details including amount and the images of the check to ensure that everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, you can submit the deposit through the application. For that, you simply have to follow the prompts to fill out the deposit amount and if you'd like a memo. Then slide your finger across the green button to complete your deposit. If you face any difficulty during this process, you can contact the customer support of Capital One. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.